Click on the link below to get price. The GoPro HERO13 Black Extended Power Bundle is a versatile offering from the well-known action camera brand, designed to cater to both avid adventurers and casual users alike. This bundle not only includes the HERO13 Black camera but also comes equipped with a dual battery charger and 3 batteries, ensuring that users have ample power for their recording needs. At first glance, the HERO13 Black maintains the sleek and compact design characteristic of the GoPro lineup, making it easy to carry for various activities. The camera boasts impressive specifications, including enhanced image stabilization, improved low-light performance, and advanced video resolution capabilities. These features are particularly beneficial for users who engage in outdoor sports or activities where capturing high-quality footage is essential. One of the standout aspects of this bundle is the inclusion of the dual battery charger and 3 batteries. This thoughtful addition addresses a common concern among action camera users: battery life. The HERO13 Black's battery life can vary depending on usage, and the ability to charge 2 batteries simultaneously while having an additional one ready for use provides an extra layer of convenience. This feature allows users to focus on their adventures without the constant worry of running out of power, which can be a hindrance during long outings. Users will find that the HERO13 Black is straightforward to operate, with an intuitive interface and responsive touchscreen controls. The camera supports various shooting modes, including time-lapse and slow motion, which can enhance the storytelling aspect of one's footage. Furthermore, the camera's rugged design is built to withstand the elements, making it suitable for a range of environments from snowy mountains to underwater explorations. While the HERO13 Black Extended Power Bundle is targeted at action enthusiasts, it also appeals to those who appreciate high-quality photography and videography. The combination of solid performance, extended battery life, and user-friendly features makes this bundle a well-rounded option for anyone looking to document their experiences. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO13 Black Extended Power Bundle is a comprehensive package that enhances the action camera experience. With its robust features, extended power options, and ease of use, it stands as a compelling choice for individuals seeking to capture their adventures with clarity and reliability.